Hey guys, we're here on this rainy day at Taskmaster Components. I'm here with Robert, who's the Vice President of Operations. Robert, if you could, tell me a little difference and what makes y'all and separates y'all from the industry on tires.
So the first thing that makes us different is the machine called the Hoffman. Okay, the Hoffman is a fully automated machine. It spits out a tire wheel assembly in every 9.7 seconds. Another thing that separates us is we have in-house engineering, okay, that are stateside, that work in this building that you're in front of right now every day.
Well, if you don't mind, can you show us a little bit about the process inside, how it works, and just what makes y'all stand out?
Yes, sir, I'll be glad to. So right here in front of us, we have the Hoffman machine. What separates us is this machine right here. It's fully automatic. So down here on our left, we have where we put our tires. It goes up and our tires get soaked. That station right in front of us, that's where we put our wheels. It goes through and the wheel gets soaked. So we're soaping our tires and we're soaping our wheels.
What does that do?
So that puts less stress on the bead, right? And it lets the tire go on a lot easier.
Okay.
So this station right here, this is our mounting station. This is where basically the magic happens. The tire comes down, the wheel comes in, and then it mounts it. What normally a person would do, the machine is doing it, and it's doing it quicker. This station right here, this is a match made and balanced, okay? So what this station does, it takes the heaviest part of the wheel and the lightest part of the tire and it matches it up together.
Okay.
And then it takes a picture of it. Some of our customers require this picture. And so now if they reach out to us, hey, where's the picture for the match, mount, and balance? We can send them this picture. This is our air station. This is where the tire gets filled up at. It goes in, our cone will come down, the table goes up, and then it blows the right amount of pressure within a 1 PSI of where it's supposed to be. So this right here, this is where the weights get added on. As you can see on both sides behind you, right in front of you, it tells you which weight to choose. If it's a solid color like this one, it's one weight. If it starts to blink, that means you're getting 2 of them, and multiple can light up. So this one is only asking for 1 ounce. So you take your weight, you take your hammer, you find your mark, you put it in the middle of your mark, and it's done.
Done.
You hit the button, the window goes up for safety, and then you come over here and you do the next one.
All right, take the hammer, take the weight, find the mark. Done.
And then you hit the button behind you.
This one?
Yes, sir. And then you're gonna see it flip back over. It's gonna come back down, it's gonna shoot it out.
That is amazing.
All right, so this is the end of the line. This is the end of the Hoffman. This is where it comes out. You have 2 guys down here stacking. Depending on the size of the tire, it determines on how many they put on that pallet.
And then it wraps and gets shipped to us.
So then it comes out of here, the forklift picks it up, it brings it around, it brings it to our Landtech machine, our automatic wrapper. It gets put on, and then it goes through and it wraps it. And then remember earlier I told you everything in the warehouse gets scanned?
Yeah.
Even when the product is done, it gets scanned. All right, so remember I told you everything gets stickered?
Yeah.
So we're gonna grab this one right here with the barcode on it. We're gonna peel it off from the corner, and it's gonna go in the top right corner. You wanna do it?
Yeah, of course, thank you. I feel like I'm part of the family and I work here now.
Okay, so in the middle of it, you're gonna put the quantity on the pallet, it's 40. So we're gonna put 40 in the middle. There you go, and then right here in big bold letters, you're gonna put Delco.
This one's for us, baby.
And then they'll scan it out of here and they'll put it away in our shipping area, which that's where we're going to next.
Oh, perfect. Well, great. One thing that we're trying to prove, we try to keep our quality in trailers the very best, and we're just trying to prove that every component we use is the best too. And that's why we chose Taskmaster Components to come out here and prove, and so we can show everyone you guys do it right. And that's what we're trying to prove in all this. So thank you very much for everything that y'all do for us and allow us here today.
Thank you for having me.